In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate elements in Elementor. A great way to save time when building your website in JupyterX is to duplicate elements. This is a great shortcut that is very easy to use. To do this, right-click on the widget you want to duplicate in Elementor. This can be a heading, text editor, a button, a column, or even an entire section. Click on Duplicate. I can also add the element to another page by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Going to the other page and right-clicking in the correct destination and choosing Paste. You can also do this by using hotkeys, such as Control or Command plus C for copy and Control or Command plus V for paste. Learn more about all hotkeys by visiting docs.elementor.com/article/105-hotkeys. Again, if you want an easy way to speed up the building process and cut down on errors, take the time to master the art of duplication. Thanks for watching. Cheers.